Hello, this is Amin from Onyx, your trusted experts for all things printers. In this video, I'll show you how to change the cartridges on your HP LaserJet 4200N printer. This video also covers the HP LaserJet 4240, 4250, 4300, or 4350, and any printer that takes a 42A, 42X, or 38A cartridge.
We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
The first step is to turn on your printer and make sure it is connected to a power source. Now onto the 4350 to install your cartridge. First step is to open your front axis cover by pulling up and remove your cartridge by pulling up and down. Set your empty cartridge to the side and move on to your next step. The next step is unboxing your new cartridge. To do this, open the cartridge box and remove the cartridge and any pliers. Set your plier to the side. Put your empty cartridge inside the box. Set that to the side. Unbox your new cartridge. Now insert your cartridge like this and close your top cover. Put back your bag in the box. Close the box. Switch your ready to use side to empty. And now this box is ready to be sent back to be recycled. That's it, you have successfully changed your cartridge on any printer that takes a 38A, 42A, or 42X. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.